Offsite construction is where as much of the house as possible is built in a workshop factory situation, which really takes all the process that Craig and I, me in my younger years and Craig in his younger years now, would have gone through, which is going out onto site and building the house on site. So the materials arrive on site and you put them together as a carpenter, you put the brickwork together as a bricklayer on site. So you're building the house from the foundations up out on site. Prefabrication takes a lot of that construction work into the factory. So with Oakwrights, we are Oakwrights. We build oak framed houses. But actually, the larger part of our business now is the manufacture of the panel system that surrounds the oak frame. So how did you find that, Craig? Because you would have gone from being the carpenter on site, making up your frames on site as working as a carpenter, and now suddenly you're bringing the panels in. How did you find that, and what was the difference between your days on site as a carpenter to actually now receiving the prefabricated panel system?
The paneling system for me is great. You know, there are going to be hundreds of carpenters out there saying that they can build the panels on site and they can do as good a job, and I'm sure that there are guys out there can do it, but the time, the quality, what's arriving on site, the ease of the panels going up. I mean, our house, so we obviously built Manuka Cottage, we put the oak frame up in a day, the paneling system was wrapped and around it in the day after. We did Church Cottage and Manuka Cottage, I think in approximately 5 days to a dry shell.